Well, I think for me, the reason design is on the end is I've had 25 years in e-commerce, and we learnt the hard way that if you don't design something before you go to market, it sinks. So effectively, for me, digital transformation is not about buying off-the-shelf solutions. It's about looking at each situation as bespoke and looking at what can and cannot be valuably automated to achieve the business aims. And in any given context, that's completely different, actually. So it's about doing it bespoke and working out what the problem is and then designing what the solution should be. Then seeing if you can buy anything off the shelf. Okay, for me, really now, the advent of 5G, I feel that we're looking at the digital transformation of the telecoms sector, which I think is reinforced on some of your publicity, actually, so it's nice to know I was right. So I think we can proceed in the way that we've always proceeded and doing what the hell we like with anything we can get our hands on, but that isn't going to last very long. There's been an accord signed yesterday. There's the G7 group of countries going to sign up to ethical practice. So I think there's a real gap in the market for telecoms providers to come out and say what they're doing with your data, or how they're going to trade your data, or how they're going to involve you in the process of sharing the data. I see that as a real opportunity at the minute. Well, I think it's all back to the same thing for me. It's about what can and cannot be valuably automated. There's a brilliant book from 1946 from Norbert Weiner called The Human Use of Human Beings. So there are roles where we can automate things. But for example, for me at the moment, being cold called by a chatbot is really not one of them. It's not working. It's not customer focused. So I think we've got to work out what can be valuably automated. I think the opportunities and the challenges are the same. It's not easy to ask a legacy sector of engineers effectively to pivot and become human-centred and lean and agile and all the rest of it. But if they don't, in the next 3 to 7 years, this is my 3rd or 4th digital transformation boom in a sector, we will see a lot of businesses just going bust, just going to the wall. So I think the opportunity is to become more customer-focused, to understand what the user wants and needs, and to understand that that's not compromising your business opportunity, it's accelerating it.